In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're looking to manage your PDFs efficiently, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is a robust tool that can really make a difference. So let's dive in and get you started. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. This is your starting point, and it's important to make sure you're on the official Adobe site to avoid any unwanted downloads or security issues. Once you're there, you'll see the option to download the application. Next up, you'll see a button labeled Download Acrobat Reader. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is initiate the download process for the Adobe Acrobat installer. It's generally a small file, so it shouldn't take too long to download depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, you'll want to open the file. Over time, you may have downloaded quite a few applications, so make sure you're opening the newest or correct installer file. Opening this installer file will guide you seamlessly into the installation process. On your screen, you should see some on-screen steps. These are crucial as they will guide you through the installation process of Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure to follow these steps carefully. Each click gets you closer to accessing all the great features Adobe has to offer. Occasionally, these steps will ask about customization preferences, such as setting Adobe as your default PDF viewer or agreeing to terms and conditions. Once you've worked your way through the installation guide, you'll be prompted to launch Adobe Acrobat when the installation completes. By launching it right away, you're ensuring that everything has installed correctly. Plus, it gives you a chance to familiarize yourself with the interface straight away. Now that you've opened Adobe Acrobat, take a moment to look around. You might see a welcome screen that offers a brief overview of what Acrobat can do for you. This is especially useful if you're new to Adobe products. Familiarize yourself with the tools and where they can be found. This will make future projects that much easier. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. From here, you can open and edit PDFs, combine files, sign documents, and much more. Spend some time exploring the software to get comfortable with its range of capabilities. As always, being familiar with the tools you're using will only enhance your productivity and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy editing!